Hi, babies! It's Miss Magnella again. I know you're super excited to hear more about rafts. Yay! Right now, we are going to do the organization part of our opinion rubric. And what you need to have is your new raft paper, your blank raft paper. And what you want to do is on one of the sides, label the top of it organization. And I'm going to model the very first part. And what we're going to do is go through reading and summarizing the organization part of the rubric, and then you are going to answer the raft questions with your teammates. Thumbs up on your chest if that sounds good and reasonable. All right. Let me have somebody else's rubric. Okay, so yours looks like this. Your raft looks like this. And you already have your highlighting done. So we're looking at organization. And remember, organization has part 1, 2, and then also, here comes 3 and 4. Everything's funny when you don't have a voice. You sound funny. So I am going to model 1. And then you are going to do 2, 3, and 4 with your teammates. Okay, so what we're doing right now is reading and summarizing. And we're going to be focusing on the words that we don't necessarily know. And look, I wrote them down. Oh my God, Mrs. Agnelli, you're the best. All right, y'all. So in part 1 of organization, we're going to introduce the claim clearly, acknowledging and distinguishing counterclaims. Well, there's at least 3 words in there that I don't actually know. Acknowledging, distinguishing, and counterclaims. Now, distinguishing means making it different, showing that it's separate. And a counterclaim is including the opposite side's argument. You might have heard this called counter-argument. Does that sound familiar?
Yeah.
All right, so AKA counter-argument. All right, so we are going to introduce, that's our verb. Circle the verb. Circle the verb and underline the noun it's talking about. Introduces what? The claim. So how would I summarize that? Intro of the claim. I want to make it quick, right? These are notes. Intro, claim. Now, when I acknowledge something, I show knowledge, right? So I just saying, hey, this is a thing, is the same as acknowledging it. If I see a kid walking down the hallway, how can I acknowledge them? Say hi, wave, give them the nod. Y'all know the nod? Yeah, don't do that. At least not to people of the opposite sex, because it tends to look like flirting. Yeah, think about that, right? And if you do that to me, that creeps me out. You know what I'm talking about? Like I'm walking down the hallway, and a kid goes, and I'm like, ew. What are you, 10? Jesus, get away from me, right? So we're going to show that we know it and distinguish, make it different from the claim. In order to do that, we're just going to talk about and here talking about is going to acknowledge the counterclaim, and fighting it is going to distinguish. So talk about and fight. Good, the other side. So we circled our verbs and we underlined our noun. Do you guys want me to model number 2 as well?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to have you help me with it, though. All right. Organizes reasons and evidence in a clear and logical order with mostly strong connections between ideas. Where's my first verb? Organizes. Circle it. Organizes what? Reasons. Hold up. Reasons and evidence. Good, those are the same thing. What's another word for reasons and evidence? Examples or cite. The citation, right? That's the citation part of our ACEs. All right, so far we got organizes, reasons, and evidence. Well, how can I summarize that? Careful, I hear explains, I hear organizes. Explaining is not going to be the same thing as organizing. Let's keep reading because we probably need more information. So we're going to organize reasons and evidence in a clear and logical order. What does that tell us? Good, so a logical order for evidence. What would that look like? Imagine, I'm going to give an example. Imagine I'm writing an essay about dogs. And I want to show everybody the dog, I know I say it funny, that the canine friends are better than cats. Because everybody knows dogs are better than cats.
Yeah.
Toads. And if you're a cat person, that's okay. We don't need you. Anyway, so if my essay is about how dogs are better pets than cats, I'm going to put my reasons in a way that makes sense, in a logical order. I'm not going to be all like, well, dogs are better than cats for, I don't know, because dogs are fluffy, and because dogs don't poop on the rug, and because of all this yada, 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 yada. I'm going to make it very clear, step by step. Dogs are better because X. Dogs are better because Y. Dogs are better because Z, Q, R, and S. I want to put it in a logical order. Okay. All right, and back with the mostly strong connections between ideas. Includes connections, or just connects. All right. You could also put flows, if that helps you. Connects or flows. I want you to take about, let's say, 4 minutes to do the next side with your team. Capish? 4 minutes, go. 4 minutes, go.